MAZ 535 is the first Soviet heavy four-axle four-wheel drive vehicle, which laid the foundation for most of the multi-axle vehicles that followed it and special chassis with increased carrying capacity. The first two prototypes were assembled in 1956. Among the unique features, an automatic hydromechanical transmission, a fully differential drive and independent suspension of all wheels, as well as a tire inflation system, a power steering and a number of other units that had not been widely used in the USSR until then. MAZ 535 had a classic layout with permanent drive of all 8 driving wheels, a central location of the engine compartment, a front two-door cab with a sunroof and a rear low-sided metal body with an awning. For the first time, a 39-liter 12-cylinder diesel engine with a capacity of 375 horsepower, equipped with a 2-stage air filtration system, appeared on it. The main novelty was the continuously variable torque converter, which provided a smooth change in torque depending on road conditions without interrupting the flow of power to the wheels. Double-acting hydraulic shock absorbers were introduced into the independent suspension of the front steered wheels on double wishbones and longitudinal torsion bars, and more advanced ball joints of equal angular velocities were used in their drive. The characteristic external features of MAZ 535 are 2 flat windshields, 3 headlights and 2 horizontal hinged hatches of the cab ventilation system, small round side lights installed on its sidewalls and an increased location of the engine compartment, equipped with a 2-row set of side vertical slots for air intake for engine power supply and internal ventilation. Behind it were 2 fuel tanks with a capacity of 380 liters, protected by casings with their own side ventilation hatches. The production of the car continued in Minsk until 1961, and then it was transferred to the Kurgan wheel tractor plant, where small-scale assembly was carried out until 1964, until they were replaced by more advanced cars of the MAZ 537 family.